How to enable stolen device protection on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how to enable the stolen device protection mode on your iPhone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your iPhone. And once you have opened it, simply scroll down and tap on Face ID and passcode. And now here enter your passcode when prompted. And after that, simply scroll down until you find stolen device protection. And once you have found that, simply tap on it, and here inside this section simply toggle on the stolen device protection. And once you have enabled it, this feature adds a security delay before allowing major changes like logging out of your Apple ID, turning off Find My Phone, changing your passcode or other security settings. This extra security feature makes it harder for thieves to access your data, even if they steal your phone. And that's it. That's how you can enable stolen device protection on your iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.